back, and I hope you have enjoyed our journey in Buffalo, Niagara Falls. So now, as you can see in the title, now we are going to the New York City. Finally, the dream city of everyone, and
Mainly the investment.
yes. And this year, beginning of the year with the beginning month, we are starting our trip with the New York. So it's going to be amazing. I hope you have enjoyed our journey so far with us. So stay with us, and from tomorrow we are going to show you the New York City, the much. Hello guys, good morning in New York. So welcome to the New York to everybody. So as you can see, we are in New York and we are in Little Italy. So as you can see, it's written Little Italy there up. So Shamli, how are you feeling?
सुबह सुबह उठा दिया मुझे.
Chalo, koi nahi. But it's better to come early because you can have plenty of time to get your photos clicked, because it's not quite rush right now. So as you can see, it's Little Italy
So
up
we are
there.
here at around 8 a.m. Yeah.
So as you can see, just look around.
So let's have a look of Little Italy streets.
Yes. Hello guys. So we are in New York, and now today we are going to show you one of the most tragic that incident happened 9/11 in 2001. So we are here at the 9/11 memorial. So we will pay our homage to all the martyrs here, all to the families who died unfortunately. So today we will show you the memorial, and it is called the Ground Zero, where the two towers standing before. So come, let me show you.
Go ahead and leave behind something in the day. So I've seen people leave behind gifts.
Hello guys. So as you can see now, the dream of Shamli is getting fulfilled. Now we are going to the Statue of Liberty. So as you can see, this is the parkway in front of us there. So we have to go there, and now join with us. As you can see, it's a beautiful snowfall. So yes.
Yes, straight ahead to Will Call. Enjoy.
Okay, thank you.
Namaste.
No. So now we are going front.
Namaste.
Ah.
You only have to.
Yes. As you can see, it's beautiful here. Guys, so we are going to Statue of Liberty, and you can see our ferries here. So Shamli, how are you feeling? Yes. So her dream is coming true today, and my dream also came true. So now we are like going to see Statue of Liberty. So this is our ferry. You can see this ship is going on. So we are at the Battery, the Clinton National Museum. So we are going there. Hello guys, so we are on our ferry to the Statue of Liberty. So let me show you the views, the scenic views from the ferry. But today it is going to be very special for you because mostly you have seen in the summers. But right now we are going to show you the winterland of New York and how the New York seems and it looks like from the ferry as well as the Statue of Liberty. So enjoy the scenic views.
The snowfall.
It's really beautiful.
हेलो गाइस, तो हम आइलैंड पहुंच चुके हैं और स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी हमें दिख रहा है और बहुत ज़्यादा स्नोफॉल हो रही है। तो देवा ने अपना गोप्रो भी अंदर रख दिया है, तो आई हैव टू शूट इट फ्रॉम माई आईफोन। सो लेट मी शो यू आइलैंड। देवा enjoying?
Yes, very much.
So अभी बस here you can see the backward. So अभी ये पीछे का व्यू है।
So guys, as you can see, that is Statue of Liberty. Yes, it's looking beautiful. So Shamli, tell me, how are you feeling now? Your dream is fulfilled. You wanted to come to Statue of Liberty. So how are you feeling now?
लवली। और मैं अभी बर्फ खा रही हूँ, मुझे मज़ा आ रहा है, ताज़ी ताज़ी बर्फ।
So guys, it's really have been an amazing day. Majority हम जो YouTube पे वीडियोस देखते हैं regarding the Statue of Liberty is in summers, but this time we are visiting here at the times of winters, and we all wanted to see that how Statue of Liberty and the National Museum looks like.
गाइस, बर्फ खा लो।
So this is it. It is. दोस्तों, सो जैसा कि आपने देखा कि हमने आपको स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी घुमाया, वो भी बर्फ़ में। नाउ वी ऑल यू वांट यू टू सी कि इनिशियली पहले स्काईलाइन न्यूयॉर्क की नहीं दिख रही थी। सो नाउ आई कैन शो यू द स्काईलाइन। सो सी दिस ब्यूटी। सो आई होप कि आपने हमारे साथ में स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी एंजॉय किया होगा। ऐसे ही हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए और आगे भी हम आपको नई नई जगह घुमाते रहेंगे। टिल देन, गुड बाय, सी यू।
We are in a shuttle, New York shuttle. So colorful. You want to say anything?
Hello guys, so today we are both going to Dumbo Street. Dumbo is down under the Manhattan Bridge, so we are going there, and we are going to show you today the Brooklyn Bridge and the Manhattan Bridge. At the same time, we will see the skyline from there, from the Brooklyn of the New York, and many places. Let's go and see what we are going to show you. So it's going to be a surprise.
So right
Keep
now
watching.
we are in colorful shuttle. Pink, green. Yay. So let's meet in the
रुक जाओ। हेलो गाइस, आप सभी का बहुत स्वागत है, आप सभी का। सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू दैट वन ऑफ द मोस्ट आइकॉनिक ब्रिज ऑफ न्यूयॉर्क दैट वी हैव ऑलवेज थॉट ऑफ सीइंग इट। सो वी विल शो यू हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक इन विंटर। सो शामली, आर यू एक्साइटेड? डिड यू एंजॉय द व्यू?
मुझे ठंड लग रही है।
सो लेट मी शो यू द ब्रिज। There. Beautiful city as well in winters.
Full snow.
Full snow. Hello guys, so now we are going to start our Brooklyn Bridge walk. So we are going to show you how the New York look like from the Brooklyn Bridge. So Shamli, are you ready? Okay then, follow us. So from there we are going to start, and it is going straight to the Brooklyn Bridge walk. So guys, now we are on the Manhattan, so guys, now we are on the Brooklyn Bridge walkway. So let me show you, now we are on the Brooklyn Bridge going towards the Manhattan. So let me show you the iconic bridge from where the song Kal Ho Na Ho was shot, having Shah Rukh Khan, the actor, in that song, and the title song was Kal Ho Na Ho. So let me show you that bridge. As you can see there. हर घड़ी बदल रही है धूप, जिंदगी छाँव है, कभी कभी है धूप, जिंदगी हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो ना हो। Hello guys, we are in Central Park, New York. As you can see कि यहाँ बिल्कुल भी कोई हरियाली नहीं है, but despite the fact it's looking still so beautiful. ये देखिए, देखिए. And as you can see, this is the skyline view from the Central Park of New York. And see, it's so snowy, looking so beautiful. New York has its own shades, and the winter one is very beautiful. I like winters, and I'm happy to see New York in winters in snowfall. So I hope you are also liking it. Hello guys, so we are in the Times Square of New York City, and as you can see the magnificent, the lighting square. Enjoy the view. Guys, as you can see, it's snow falling as well. So you have to understand it's very cold. But yet, we love New York, and I love New York. My wife also loves New York. So we are here and enjoying. So I hope you are enjoying as well with us.